It's to make panoramic view, 12 to 3. 12 o'clock until 3, you can see the old town from the castle. Very nice idea. And it's up here to the number 1, the Grand Palace Meister. Okay. You will enjoy that.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So, me know. Lisa, why you not posting like before? You just stop and you just disappear. Now you come back. So, girl, come back with a banger. Yes, I've been to Turkey and I've been to Greece. So, before I go to Greece, I had to go and collect my visa in London at the Visa Application Center. So, I'm going to take you along with me. So, here we go, guys. Greece visa. I get the Schengen visa. So people, me get up, me stand up this so. Show them when me stand up. Right this so. And me gonna hear the boy say, sit down. Sit down. And I hear a train. Suppose me want to stand up this so.
Yeah, but
when train a come.
I say somebody take a seat.
They want to take a seat. You don't want nobody sit inside like
No.
that. Don't sit down.
No more stand. No.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to the VAC office. I'm gonna pick up my Schengen visa. I'm such a happy person right now. If you never know, oh my glad bag bus. Because my son is taking me on a trip to Greece. So you know, the girl I got in our whites, girl I got in our cream, girl I got in our nude colors, no color upon the trip here. You see my Turkey trip, that's when I'm gonna have nice colors. But you see for my Greece trip, nude colors. Okay, lovely flowers. Amazon fresh.
Guess what? They have no pull.
No cashier?
Yeah, none.
What do you mean?
So you go in there, you have an app, and you scan the app and all sorts of other things and stuff like that.
Some
But,
have apps?
Yeah, Mama, you're signing up for that? So, yeah. You want me starting?
I can talk anything I want to talk. Yeah? Don't bust my bubble. Okay?
Alright, boss.
You just come to bust bubble.
No, man, never that. Yeah, we can.
So if you are living in London, these are the ideal bikes that you need to be riding. Right now, when you have a car, you have car insurance, you have to service your car, MOT, road tax, and remember guys, you have to buy gas. And if you're going to the congestion area, you're going to pay £15 for congestion charge. If you park, you have to pay to park. Not enough free in London. So right now, they want us to ride these bikes. Them don't want you drive because them say pollution. So, you see the person who in charge of road in this country, them say you for ride. As I was walking, guess what I saw? My name, Christopher. So you don't know some name, Alicia Christopher. It's on my street right now, trust me.
So I was too early to collect the visa, so they
Yes,
said
ma'am.
I should come back. So you know, let's go and get something to eat. So we get some Chinese. Tastes good. Now I'm back and I'm gonna make my way inside, pick up, and then come straight out and go home. So let's wait and see. Going good, girl. You know, say if it wasn't my son, me would never apply for this. Me would never apply for this Shenga business. Me would never apply for it because sometimes I can't bother. The amount of paperwork and things where you have to prove, it's too much. Them ask too much. Yeah, so here we go.
I get the Shenga visa. So today I just pick up my Shenga visa because I'm gonna be traveling to Greece and I'm gonna take you along with me. Yes, let's go, guys.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Click the notification bell if you want to see more of your girl, Alicia Christopher. Bye, guys.